Hello, everybody. So today I'm coming with your real estate tip of the week. And as you can see, my name is Teresa Santos with Rosa Realty and the VIP group. And basically today I want to talk a little bit about being available. And what do I mean by that? Being available, right? As real estate agents, remember that we are now in a service industry. We are people that need to service, right? We have a service that we offer our customers, and we need to be available to provide that service. And how do we become available? Well, the first thing is you need to pick up your phone, right? Because if you're not picking up your phone, you're losing possible business. And I'm just going to use an example. If I was looking for a dentist, okay, or a doctor, let's say, mechanic, whatever you want. I'm looking for someone and I'm going to go through Google, right? And I'm going to say, dentist near me, right? What's going to happen? There's going to be a list of dentists that comes up, right? And I'm going to be able to check their reviews, but I'm going to check that list of dentists and I'm going to start calling, right? Because I'm looking for a dentist near me to get more information. So I'm going to start dialing. And if I call that dental office and no one picks up the phone and it goes straight to voicemail, what do you think I'm going to do? Yeah, I'm going to scroll down to the next one and call the next one, right? Well, the same thing happens with any business, right? So as real estate agents, and we're providing a service, and if we're listed on Google, which we should be, and we should be, be able to be found on Google, whether it's through social media or Google listing, Google business listing, you want to make sure that when someone calls you, that you pick up the phone. Okay. Now, if you can't pick up the phone at the moment, right? Like right now I'm recording, so I can't really just answer the phone while I'm doing this, but I have an auto reply, right, to my phone. Whether that's through WhatsApp or that's through my phone, I have an auto reply. And basically, if I get a call, I send an automatic reply letting them know that I am busy at the moment or I'm with a client at the moment, but I will be returning their call or their text as soon as possible. The chances of me as the consumer waiting for you to call me back is going to be greater, right? Because at least you replied. It wasn't like you called and it just rang, and it went to a voicemail. You're not going to wait for that person. We live in a society that it's give it to me today, give it to me now, not even today, give it to me now. So we need to be available to answer our phones and be available, or at least give an auto reply of some sort, because that is important for us to be able not to lose those leads. Okay, so be available. That is your tip for this week.